Hi, my name is Nurzamira. In this video, I will show you a tutorial on how to use Google Meet. Let's get started. Please click the button below this video. First, how to get into Google Meet. To get into Google Meet, you need to sign in. Key in your email and password. Now, we are already in Google Meet. How to join meeting? To join a meeting, click the Join with a Code button. Key in the code that's been given by the teachers, and click Join. How to create a meeting? To create a meeting, click the blue button, and choose Start an Instant Meeting. How to use the cool features. Google Meet consists of cool features. Click on the white icon, and choose any live background that you want. Apart from that, you also can choose filters. You can turn on or turn off the camera by clicking the camera icon, turn on or turn off microphone by clicking the microphone icon. In the three dots icon, you can chat with others. Share screen. Show caption, host control, to control the participant. And setting, to adjust the low light. How to share the meeting link? To share the link, first, you can click the copy icon. Second, you can click the blue share invite button, and send the link directly to Telegram and others. How to leave the meeting? To leave the meeting, just click the red button. That is all from me. Thank you for your time. Good luck.